Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In my previous video, I have showed you like how you can access a Linux server and how you can create a Linux server in Azure. So I have created a Linux virtual machine in Azure and I have accessed the Linux server through my local command prompt or local terminal. So in this video, I'm going to explore the Windows virtual machine. If you have any requirement like Windows virtual machine you need to create, so how you can create that in Azure and how you can access your Windows virtual machine. So this is the scope of this video. So let's go for that. So first of all, I need to go to portal.azure.com. So I have already logged into my Azure portal and this is the landing page. And to create the virtual machine, you have to select this virtual machine under Azure services. Or else if you do not have this option available virtual machine, you can simply go to more services and you can find the virtual machine instances to create that under compute engines. Okay, so if I'm clicking this, you can see like compute resources and their virtual machines are available. So I'm going to create a Windows virtual machine. For that, I'm clicking this plus button or I'm going to this option virtual machines. So if I'll go to this option, so you can see like one virtual machines I have already in created, which is of Linux operating system. So in this video, I'm going to delete this first and then I can create a Windows virtual machine. So it is not mandatory like you have to delete this. I can create the virtual machines, another virtual machines easily, but I want to delete this. Otherwise, it will consume my credits from free trial. Okay, so to delete this, you have to check this virtual machine and then I'm clicking this delete button, then apply delete for all the resources and I have to give a delete command over here. So before that, I think I have already connected to terminal. So I'm first exiting this virtual machine. Okay, so I have to simply type exit and this, and then I have to simply type delete and then click on the delete and again click on the delete option. So it is executing the delete command. It will take few seconds of your time. Okay, so let it get deleted. So meanwhile, what I can do, I can go for create a new virtual machine. So again, you need to click on the create button and you have to go for Azure virtual machines, this option. And if I select this option, it will redirect to some create page. You have to fill all those details. Okay, so I have got a pop-up like successfully deleted. So if you click this, so execute a delete command on one selected items, it means like my previous Linux virtual machine is already deleted. So I'm going to create a Windows virtual machine in this video. Okay, so again the filling details like the previous video. If you didn't gone through my previous video, I'm requesting you to please go through that because you'll get some idea. Okay, so first option is subscription, which is retail for me. Resource group, I have to select a resource group. So I have created a resource group already, so I am selecting this. And then virtual machine name, again I'm giving the same name, which is YouTube demo. So it will check whether this name is available or not, and yes, it is available, it is a green tick. And then region, I have to change my region because most of the times east US is not available, and if available the cost will be higher. So I'm going to change my region. I am selecting India. Okay, so Central India and South India both are coming, so Central India will be fine. Okay, then I need to keep this as it is. Zone option you need to change, or availability zone, whatever is there, it is absolutely fine. Security type, okay, this on option also you don't need to change. Then image, so you can see like I'm going to create an Windows virtual machine. So for that I have to select Windows virtual machine. Okay, so I'm selecting maybe Windows 10 Pro, this one. Okay, so I'm just trying like Windows 10 Pro, this one free service is eligible, so this is absolutely fine. 64-bit architecture, okay, so that is also fine. And size is already by default selected, so I'm not going to change this. And username, again I'm telling like you have to keep your username, remember. Okay, so please take a note of it. And my strategy is I'm selecting virtual machine name and username as same. So I'm giving the virtual machine name as username, and then I need to select some password. So I have give this password. Again, I have to retype that password. So I have gave my password, and then public inbound ports allow. I'm going to allow all those ports. There is no issue if we are not selecting all those things. So my suggestion is to select all the options from the drop down. Okay, so I confirm I have a eligible license multi-tenant hosting rights. So this option I have to tick. Next is disk. Okay, so it's calculating. You don't need to change anything. Okay, next networking. Again, you don't need to change anything. So those are option by default, which is absolutely fine. Okay, next management. So there also you don't need to change anything. So and your subscription is protected by foundational cloud security posture management free plan. So it is coming. It's absolutely fine. Then next monitoring. No need to change anything over this page. Next advanced. You no need to change anything. You need to change anything in this page. Again, you have to go to tags. So next is review plus create. So it will first check whether this configuration and this option is available or not. And if it is available, it will give you a green tick and then you need to create or deploy. So you can see like validation passed. So I am ready to deploy my Windows virtual machine. Okay, so I'm going to create this. Okay, let's create this. So it is initializing my deployment and Windows virtual machine. You can connect it through RDP file. So I'll try to connect. Okay, so it will take few seconds of your time. Maybe a Windows virtual machine will take more time. So let's wait for that. And guys, Windows virtual machine we cannot access through terminal like a Linux server. Okay, so we have a UI for that, and through RDP file only you have to open the virtual machine and you can do all your works. So those things I will describe. Maybe I have to hold for a few seconds because it is deployment is in progress. So let's wait for that. So guys, I think it will take more time. So let me create some other video because deployment will take more time. So I'm stopping here, and the second part will be continuation of this same thing, like how you can access your Windows virtual machine in Azure. So let me come back to the next video. So I'm stopping here. If you have any question or any doubt, you can give me in the comment box. And guys, please subscribe to my channel. That will be give a motivation for me. And that's it for this video. And still till then, stay tuned and goodbye.